What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your VAT ID on Facebook ads. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Facebook or facebook.com. After typing, you will be redirected to the login or sign up page of Facebook, wherein if you are new to Facebook, you just need to click on sign up and then sign up with your email, password, and the credentials to create your new Facebook account. But if you already have a Facebook account, click on the login button and then you will be automatically logged into your Facebook account. Now, after signing up or logging in, you will be redirected to the home page of Facebook, wherein on the right side, you just need to click on this waffle-like menu icon. And after clicking it once, you will see the section to add. This is the Facebook ads section. Click on this and after clicking, a new tab of Facebook Ads Manager will open, wherein on the left side you need to scroll up and over to the left side and then click on the Billings and Payment tab. When you click on the Billings and Payment tab, a new window will open where you can set up all your billings and payment settings. So when you come to the billings and payment settings, you just need to scroll a bit down and then in the business info, you need to click on edit. And when you click on edit, a new window pop-up or new window tab will open wherein you need to enter your business details and at the last on the bottom, here you will see the option to enter your VAT ID. Scroll down until you don't find the option to enter the VAT ID. Click on that VAT ID and then enter your VAT ID tags and then click on save when you are done. So this is how you can add your VAT ID on your Facebook ads account. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.